Okay, next, let's go ahead and cut out our rectangular or square pocket. That's going to be obviously a little bit deeper. So here is my drawing to set that up. Now, for this rectangular pocket, again, I'm going to have my width 51 by 51. So I've got that labeled or drawn here. I'm going to have a radius of 3.175, and then I'm going to have a z-start at a -2. I may want to back that off to a z-start of -1. Let's go ahead and correct that. So we're going to have a z-start at -1 because that should be what our top surface is. Then we're going to have a z-end of -3.8. Again, I'm going to work on my center points, and that is a 57x and a 51y. And that will give us our centering point for this rectangular profile. So let's go ahead back to PathPilot and let's set this up in our rectangular pocket cuts in conversation. All right, so here we have our rectangular pocket, and this is over on the left-hand side. So again, still using the same settings here in terms of our G54. We have a 51 millimeter X width, and we have a 51 millimeter Y height, or X and Y setup. We have a 3.175 radius. We're going to start at a -1, so let's go ahead and change that. So we've got a -1 for our Z start. We're going to go 1 millimeter deep, and we're going to go a total of -3.8 millimeters to the end. So that'll be our cut. Now we need to double check our X and Y start points. So we use the drill tab so that we know exactly where that's going to be at. We're going to be at 57 millimeters X, 51 millimeters Y. Again, we're going to start at a -1. So let's go ahead and change that, -1 millimeters. And we're going to go to a depth of -7. That will also get us a deeper pocket for what we are looking for.